The kindness of puppies. Bella, a thoughtful golden retriever puppy. Max, a shy but gentle beagle puppy. Rocky, a playful and energetic border collie puppy. Daisy, a nurturing and wise Dalmatian puppy. The story is set in a peaceful countryside village with a cozy barnyard, lush meadows, and a small animal community. The barnyard is filled with vibrant flowers, chirping birds, and the occasional soft breeze that carries the scent of fresh hay. One sunny morning, Bella, Max, Rocky, and Daisy were playing in the barnyard. The puppies were having a wonderful time, chasing butterflies and rolling in the soft grass. As they laughed and played, a little sparrow named Pip fluttered down onto the fence, looking sad and forlorn. Bella, hello, Pip. Why do you look so upset? Pip, my nest fell from the tree during the storm last night, and I have no place to stay. I don't know what to do. The puppies stopped playing and listened intently. Max's ears drooped as he thought about Pip's predicament. Max, oh no, that's terrible. We should help Pip find a new home. Rocky, let's build Pip a nest. It'll be fun and helpful. Daisy, that's a wonderful idea, Rocky. We'll all work together to make it happen. Pip, don't worry, you're not alone. Pip's eyes brightened with hope as he chirped, "Thank you so much, everyone." The puppies decided to collect materials to rebuild Pip's nest. Bella led the group to a nearby meadow where they found soft grass swaying in the gentle breeze. Bella, this grass will make a cozy base. Let's gather as much as we can. Max's sharp eyes spotted some fallen feathers near the chicken co-op. He gently picked them up in his mouth, careful not to damage them. Max, these feathers will make the nest warm and comfortable. I'll find more. Rocky dashed to the barn and returned with bits of hay and twine he had found in a corner. Rocky, I've got the perfect finishing touches. This hay and twine will keep the nest sturdy. Meanwhile, Daisy noticed a shady tree with strong branches near the edge of the meadow. Daisy, this branch is sturdy and safe. It'll be a perfect spot to place Pip's new nest. As they worked, other animals in the barnyard watched curiously, inspired by the puppies' teamwork. Back at the tree, the puppies worked together to assemble the nest. Bella arranged the grass into a circular shape, carefully tucking in the edges to form a cozy base. Max gently placed the feathers on top, adding a soft lining. Rocky wove the hay and twine around the edges, making the nest strong and secure. Daisy supervised the process, ensuring everything was safe and snug. Daisy, great job, everyone. Pip, your new home is almost ready. As they finished, Pip chirped excitedly and fluttered around the nest. Pip, it's perfect. Thank you so much, my friends. I'll never forget your kindness. The puppies wagged their tails proudly. Bella, we're happy to help. That's what friends are for. As the puppies rested under the tree, more animals from the barnyard gathered around to admire the nest. A curious rabbit named Floppy hopped over and asked about their efforts. Floppy, why did you work so hard to help Pip? Daisy smiled warmly and said, "Kindness makes the world a better place. When we help someone in need, it brings happiness to everyone involved." Max nodded shyly. And it's nice to know that if we ever need help, our friends will be there for us too. The animals murmured in agreement, inspired by the puppies' actions. Soon, they all decided to find ways to help one another in the barnyard. The chickens shared extra feed with the rabbits. and the goats offered to clear overgrown grass for the smaller animals. Days passed, and Pip's nest became the coziest home in the tree. The little sparrow often visited the puppies, bringing them seeds and singing cheerful songs as a thank you gift. Pip, you've taught me that kindness spreads like sunshine. I'll always remember your help. The puppies wagged their tails, proud of their good deed. As they lay in the meadow, watching the golden sunset, Daisy spoke softly. Daisy, remember, little acts of kindness can make a big difference. The puppies closed their eyes, drifting off to sleep, dreaming of a barnyard filled with love and friendship.